Fitch credit rating downgrade of America won't have any long-term impact on the overall markets across the world. That statement might sound bizarre to you, especially if you notice the fall it led to in the emerging markets. The wipeout in Indian markets alone was worth 3.5 trillion rupees. But experts say how the Indian and global markets reacted was nothing more than a knee-jerk reaction. Mukesh Kochar, the national head of wealth at AUM Capital, said, "Impact on the Indian market should also be short-lived, and other factors such as earnings, crude prices, and RBI policy and fund flows will be the key to the market." Having said that, the market is heated world over and may find a reason to correct it. Not just India, the ratings downgrade is also unlikely to impact the US much. In fact, Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, called the downgrades ridiculous. I would point out to the rating agencies, if I could, that there are a bunch of countries rated higher than us, like AAA, but they live under the American enterprise military system. To have them be AAA and not America is kind of ridiculous. Despite recent hiccups, the US economy remains resilient. The Fed has pulled the US economy out of hardened inflation by raising interest rates by more than 5% in a year. They've also calmed the fears of a recession by controlling the banking fiasco of the SVB and Signature Bank in March. Although inflation is still high, some feel the worst is over. Even US bond yields, which are an indicator of high bond demand, did not gain much, from 4.05% yesterday to only 4.08% today.
Should I stock up on some global brands?
Diversify investments with global stocks. Invest.
Diversification is interesting. Should I invest in global markets?
You only progress when you ask better questions. Mint. Think ahead, think growth.